Unfortunately, it's looking rather cloudy across the London skyline, and if I move out of the way, you can see on the Met Office radar that there is some rain developing to the west of London, extending northwards, and it's also moving towards the London area. What does it mean for this afternoon at Wimbledon? Well, in about half an hour's time, the chance of rain goes up to 40%. And then from around about 4 o'clock onwards, there's a 60% of some rain at the championships. But I have to say, any rain that does move through is going to be of a fairly light variety, but it could cause some interruptions. On the other side of the channel, the cyclists could be getting wet as they pedal their way from Calais to Envors for the second stage of the Tour de France. If you want sunshine, then it's the southern Mediterranean that's enjoying the lion's share. Temperatures there up into the 30s, which of course is what we had at Wimbledon last week. But today, temperatures back to normal in London at 21 Celsius. Even cooler than that in the northwest of Scotland, just 14 degrees there. The wind's picking up, the clouds coming in, and before the day's over, we'll find some more persistent rain coming into Northern Ireland and western parts of Scotland. That's all down to this area of low pressure here. Now, that's going to pose us some problems during the middle part of the week as it moves across into the North Sea. Lots of isobars around this area of low pressure, so not only some wet weather, but some pretty windy weather for the time of year, unusually windy weather. Just take a look at this. As the low moves through, lots of wind arrows, those strong winds blowing around the back edge of that low, and then by the end of the week, we'll probably see those winds starting to moderate. So we're keeping a close eye on the situation. As I say, unusually windy weather, perhaps near gale force winds for northern and western sea areas. So overnight tonight, that wind picking up in the northwest. That's where the wet and windy weather is going to be, Northern Ireland and Scotland. Bit of showery rain for these more western and southern coasts of England and Wales. That'll move quite swiftly eastwards during tomorrow. A lot of wet weather for Scotland, but by the afternoon perhaps some brighter skies for the west coast, by which time more rain will be returning for Northern Ireland. For England and Wales, we can expect some heavy thundery showers with temperatures around average for the time of year. That low with us midweek, that means showers or longer spells of rain, and also those strong near gale force winds for the western areas, and it looks as though the gales will be blowing into the North Sea during Thursday. That's the